Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Defy. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and enter loyalty, gift card or transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's go back and now let's select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, enter shop, type card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. In the end, let's enter transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.